Yes, wait a minute.
Announcing the launch of iHeartRadio on Invoke, the intelligent home speaker from Harman.
The focus on it was. No, I did that already. Yes, the focus is better.
Every moment with premium 360-degree sound. Get the party started with the sound of your voice by saying commands like, "Hey Cortana, play Hit Nation." Listen to all your favorite music, all your favorite stations, all free from iHeartRadio on Cortana. Available on Windows 10 desktop and Invoke from Harman. It's time to treat ourselves to the Get Sweet Dicky Gifts.
With Macy's after Christmas sales specials.
Like the sportswear I asked for.
And those boots I was hinting about.
Don't forget the diamond earrings I promised you.
Oh yeah, and the packable down coat.
Hey, didn't you have a comforter set on your list?
I sure did. We do get an extra 20 or 15% off with our Macy's Carter Savings Pass.
See, this is why I didn't do my gift shopping before.
Yeah, that's the reason. Treat yourself at Macy's after Christmas sale. Savings off sale prices, exclusions apply, including specials.
You want to take a hit of that before it burns out on you. It's a fast burner.
What could you do with $10?
There you
go.
go.
To Vistaprint.com today, and you'll get 500 high-quality custom business cards for $99.99. That's less than 2 cents per card. And at Vistaprint, your satisfaction is absolutely guaranteed. So it's never been easier to turn 500 strangers into connections. Just visit Vistaprint.com and use promo code 6464 at checkout. That's Vistaprint.com, promo code 6464. Not available in Thank you for calling Recent Ervies, the future of frozen yogurt. Are you... Yes, ma'am. Our Froyo robot serves 7 different flavors of delicious frozen yogurt with up to 6 delicious toppings, all within 60 seconds. Recent Ervies Froyo robots are available as a unique franchise opportunity across the United States. They work so you don't have to. Plus, we find the best locations for you.
How do I get my own Froyo robot?
Franchising.com. Promo code 4848. That's FroyoFranchising.com. Promo code 4848. Over 15 miles an hour through the afternoon, adding the extra bite to the air as temperatures hover around between 18 and 24. Tonight, single digits below zero in the outlying areas, but single digits above zero elsewhere with clear skies. And it looks like highs between 10 and 15 with partly to mostly sunny skies and that breeze continuing through Wednesday and Thursday. If we're going to see anything beyond just a passing snow shower, could be a little bit of light snow around Saturday.
WTIR-FM Mansfield, 101. Broadcasting live from the Merchants Auto Cars Studio.